powerful. It's been really powerful. It's been inspiring to see so many like-minded and just to see so much light in the room. So in terms of one thing I'll be taking away from the Black Leaders Programme and using in the future is understanding the power of appreciation, where basically we're able to not only appreciate yourself but appreciate others. And I feel like it's something as in our community that I feel like we're not the greatest at, giving ourselves credit and sort of kind of taking time to look back and reflect at what you have already achieved, not always focusing on what you haven't achieved. What would I say to other students about participating in a programme? I don't think there's enough words that would do it justice. I think that the way I would simply say is that I think it will be a life-changing experience that I think you will never forget. It was great for me having the opportunity, even as a member of staff, to do the programme, because I felt like it's important that if I'm promoting the programme to students who look like me, I need to sort of kind of fully delve myself into the programme, and it's been an amazing experience for me. So if you're thinking about whether to do it or not, I would say do it, come with an open mind, and I think it's just, it's probably going to be the most impactful session or impactful programme that you've ever done, and it's life-changing. Do the Black Leaders Programme, sign up, and it will be an amazing time.